Ito, ang mga NBA high IQ moments.
James puts up the three. Oh, it's good! LeBron James from downtown!
Simulan natin sa high IQ pass na ito ni Luka Doncic.
Oh my goodness. What a find by Luka. Through the legs.
Baka Luka Doncic yan. Pero mas nakakamangha ang ginawang nutmeg ni CP3 kay Zubac.
What a play he did.
Chris Paul, that is not right. CP3, stop it. Now you...
Grabe, ang linis nun. Pero mas malinis itong susunod.
Korver off the hand of LeBron, who picked up the loose ball behind the back. Just like they threw it up. You gotta butter the jelly. You gotta have eyes in the back of your head or a great memory to make a pass like that.
At kung high IQ moments ang usapan, kailangan nating isali ang ginawa ni Jokic kay LBJ.
He is the Joker.